Hi everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick here. I keep feeling like I have a hair in my lipstick, but I don't think I do. Oh goodness. Hey, can you see what I see? Blue sky. I love it. Love it. I have been missing the blue sky. It's been really gray and cloudy, and that always just brings me down. But when I see that blue sky and the sun shining, it doesn't matter that it's freezing cold outside suddenly. It's just so nice to see the sunshine. Yeah, so it is chilly out, so I wore my hat. Now this hat was designed by my good friend Ginger, the yarn geek, and it is called the Bubblegum Ice Cream Beanie. I think so. I think it's the Bubblegum Ice Cream Beanie. She says it looks like bubblegum ice cream. The color does. And I used the same color that she used. So I'll put my head up close. Can you see the little flecks of color? She's right though. It does look like bubblegum ice cream. And it is nice and warm. And I'm enjoying wearing it. And yeah, I tested the pattern for her. So it should be up and available. I'll have to check with her to find out how you can get the pattern. And I'll link that down below for you. I've got a knot in my cord. Hopefully I won't bang the camera around. So I did another test pattern for my good friend Melanie. And I have not woven in my ends yet, so you don't have to look at that side. Look, it's so cute. It's a little coaster, and it's got these cute little flares around the outside of it. It's so cute. I can't believe how long it took me to make this coaster, and it has nothing to do with the pattern. It's very simple and easy to make. There's no reason why it would take very long to make it. But I just kept getting interrupted. All kinds of things just kept coming up. And I'm like, oh, I'll finish it in a little while. Oh, I'll finish that tomorrow. Oh, I'll finish it the next day. So silly. So silly, but it is really, really cute. And yeah, we tested this pattern for Melanie, so her pattern should be uploaded soon too. And again, I'm not sure where these girls are uploading their patterns, so I will leave links down below. So if you want to check out their patterns, you can. I know I'm getting hair in my lipstick. So gross. For Melanie's, I used the Sugar Wheel Cotton from Yarn Bee that I got on sale for 62 cents last year when they did the big clearance sale. So pretty. I think I got like 12 of these things, all different colors. It's really soft. I don't know if you've ever used Sugar Wheel Cotton. This one's called Visions of Violet. I'd like to see Visions of Violets right now. For sure. For sure. So what's going on? Next week is kind of exciting. I keep getting these little alerts and then I can't see how long I've been filming for. Anyway, next week, February 2nd, is kind of a big day for me. And yes, my nephews have their birthday that day. They're twins and that is their birthday. But that's their thing. For me, it's also a birthday of sorts. It's an anniversary of sorts. It marks 1 year since I uploaded my first YouTube video. So my channel is going to be 1 year old on February 2nd. So that's coming up. So how should I celebrate? What should I do? I'm sure you've got some ideas, don't you? Should I have a cake? I'd be sitting in my car having a cake all by myself for car chat. Oh, that would be kind of lame, I think. Especially in February, it'd be freezing cold out. Anyway, I don't know. Maybe a little giveaway or something. Let me know what you think. Everybody would like a giveaway, I bet. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. There's also a big giveaway coming up on February 1st for the Yarn Hookers Facebook group because our first monthly challenge is almost done. We're almost done with our first monthly challenge, the January challenge of trying something you've never tried before. It has to be yarn related. And we've got a lot of entries. So that's exciting. So we're going to do the drawing. I think it's on Monday. I think Monday is the first. I don't have a calendar in front of me, but I think Monday is the first. So yeah, we'll be doing the drawing, and a lucky winner is going to go away with some yarn. And I think there was a crochet hook case. There was one other item in there, and I don't remember what it was. But I'll put it down here. I'll write it down here so you can see what the other prize was. So that's exciting too. Yeah, all kinds of fun stuff going on. And let's see, what else have we got? This week on Yarn Hookers, we are going to be talking about what we tried for the first time, yarn related. So I'm kind of eager to see what Melanie and Ginger have done, because I don't know. I don't know what they've done. I know what I've done, and it is absolutely embarrassing. So you'll have to watch Yarn Hookers to see my embarrassing first time yarn related extravaganza. Hardly an extravaganza, I assure you. So what's going on with you? What have you been doing? Is it warm where you are? It's pretty chilly here. But I know that my Canadian friends will laugh at me when I say that, because they think it's funny. When I say it's so cold, it's 16 degrees, and they're like, that's nothing. Well, I know it's not as cold as it is in some places, but it's sure a lot colder than it is in others. Did that make any sense? I know it's a lot colder here than it is at my sister's house down in Florida. She sends me pictures and sounds of the birds singing in the morning. I love it. I love it when she sends me those videos. So anyway, that's about all I've got going on. So tune in not next week, tune in this weekend on Saturday night, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to Yarn Hookers, and find out what we all did for our January challenge. Oh, and we're also going to announce the February challenge, which should also be pretty good. So that's going to be fun. And if you're a Facebooky type person and you want to check out another Facebook group, you can check out my Facebook group. Mine is called Whippy Chick Crochet Connections. So that's fun too. I think a lot of the same people are in both groups. So that's kind of cool. And it's Thursday, and it's busy at work, and I'm working on my whip. Here, I'll turn my camera down so you can see what I'm doing. The other day I said, why have I not finished this hat? It's so silly that I haven't finished it. So I thought, I'm going to work on it during car chat on Thursday, because it's mindless. I can work on this blindfolded, I think. Well, that might be an exaggeration. I'm not sure about blindfolded. Can you hear that? It's really windy out. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. I sure can. Can you hear this? The needle's clicking. And my shoes are squeaking. Wow, I'm very entertaining today. Crazy. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go because this is really boring to watch. I'll talk to you later. See you next week.